Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue doing this Halloween makeup tutorial. So I want, or I love, or I wish that you like this makeup tutorial. So if you like this one, if you want to know more about my work, consider to subscribe, consider to smash that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload a video, which I try to do it every single Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. sometimes during the weekend, and that's why you need to have that notification bell. Smash it. No, smash it. So if you want to know more about how I created this makeup look, just keep watching. See you at the end. Bye. First, I'm going to wet my brows just to make the brows stick to the skin. Then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And all this is to help me to stick the brow hair to the skin. Then I'm going to add the glue stick to the brows. Okay, I'm not going to use hair dryer in this case or hairspray. I'm just going to leave the glue dry by itself. Now I'm going to use black eyeshadow from this Maron palette. I'm going just to mimic like the mouth. So you have to be like anything symmetrical or anything like that. That's the good thing about Halloween makeup, that you don't need to be like really exactly beautiful or anything like that. And I'm just tracing where I want to be the eyes. And I didn't cover my brows because I'm going to use black on this. Now I'm going to add white water-based face paint to my face. And I hope that you will find this makeup tutorial really easy, because I am going to try to use maybe 3 colors during this tutorial. Now I'm going to add this white cream base color. This one is from Ben Nye. Now using a Sigma E15, I'm going to add the black face paint. And I'm going to basically cover the other eye in the same way using the Sigma E15. And again, this one doesn't need to be like symmetrical at all. It's Halloween, so Halloween is about no rules. No rules for makeup. We have free pass. Just don't forget to be gentle with your eyes because all these products will create more wrinkles, so be careful. And I'm talking about the removal part of these products. Is just a lot of scratching, and try to be patient when you are removing the makeup, regardless your current age. Now I'm going to fill out my mouth with black also. No specific pattern. You use whatever you want. Use your imagination. Now I'm going to use a Sigma L06, and again using the black water face paint. I'm going just to make this kind of eyebrows. Again, using your imagination, just crack everything that you want to see a crack. As long as you want to see the crack. So I was using a Sigma E11 for the bigger cracks. And I'm going to use this 30 brush. This is an art brush, and it is really, really, really small brush. I'm going to use the Sigma L06 and the black eyeshadow from the Maroon palette and just darkening this a little bit. Now we are going to make this white look a little bit dirty. And in order to do that, I'm going to use my mini beauty blender. I'm going to use the black eyeshadow. And just tapping or tapping everywhere. Now I'm going to use the gray color of this palette. I'm going to change the nose. Just the tip of the nose. Something like this. Nothing perfect. Doesn't need to be perfect. If it's imperfect, much better. I'm going to use the white color again from the Midnight palette. And I'm going to use the art brush to connect my nose with that. I'm going to use this cream color too, just to dirty the face. The idea is to make this face look like all. I'm going to use this lot. I'm going to put it there. I think that that's good enough because I added the eyeshadow after my cracks. The cracks like hide, and I want them to be more like visible. So I'm going to add the cracks again. Now I'm going to darken this part using the water-based face paint. The camera stopped while I was recording the addition of the black water face paint to the body, just to cover everything and make the illusion that my face is alone in this space without anything else. So that part was not recorded, and I'm sorry about that. But it's just black water face paint all over the rest of the face. It's like a mask. So I'm going to add like kind of crack on this mask. Like this one. So now I'm going to add a little bit of shadow to make the mask more realistic. And I'm going to add black eyeshadow using this Maroon eyeshadow. I'm going to add a little bit of this Sigma Wicked eyeliner. I'm just adding details to the mask. This is just for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm going just to add this cap here. This is all, guys. I hope that you like this one. I hope that you learned something. And if you like this one, don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can help me to grow this channel. And if you are new, thank you for your visit. See you in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy weekend. Bye.